Hi everyone, how are you? Well, if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing the June 2008 Ricky's Cold Crushes. Ricky's, what are you doing? So, this used to be an $11 month subscription starting this month in June 1st. They raised the prices to $14 a month. So, I know what everything is in here because it comes with a card and it does not come with prices. So, what I normally do is every month is look up the prices and see if it's really worth what we were paying. And when it was $11, it was like phenomenal. It was only $1 more than Ipsy. And now we're at $14. So that is now compared to like Allure, which is $15, Macy's Beauty Box, which is $15. So let's see if everything in here with the prices is worth the increase of $14 a month. So let's just get right into it. All right, so the first thing that comes on there is the few sheet masks. One of them is the gold, like a foil packet that you put under your eyes, which I love. I really love skincare and I love sheet masks and anything with the skin. So this doesn't bother me to get this, not for me. So this would be, how much is it? This is $2.21 for this. And then we got two sheet masks, and these are from the Avatara. One is Shape Up Face Mask, and the other one is an Even Out Shape Mask. And when I looked it up, they were $3 a piece, so for two of them is $6. So $6, $7, $8.21 for these three right here. So far that's pretty good. The box is $14. Let's keep it going. The next thing that I see is from Suva Beauty. This is a single eyeshadow, and I got in the shade Gastown Grind is the shade I got. I believe everybody got different colors. And this is $11. So right there, 11 plus what, $8 is $19.21. So far almost $20. So we are over the limit that we paid for the box. And I really do like these eyeshadows, and the pan is really big. It does come with a magnetic, I believe it's magnetic, but the pan is extremely big. And let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Let me swatch that again. I bet you if you wet this, this would be really gorgeous. This is really creamy and buttery. So like I said, that's $11. I am not a fan of single eyeshadows because I have a lot of magnetic palettes that I put them in, but I like eyeshadow palettes, so they kind of go in the back, but I'm not hating it. I really do like the color. So, and like I said, it is $11. All right. The next thing we have is from Hairfinity. Now, these are like vitamins for like your hair, your skin, your nails, and there are 14 in here. So this is a 7-day supply. Now, here's where I had the problem. For a full month supply is $37.50. So if I did my math correctly, for 14 pills, because for 60 pills would be $37.50. This is about $9. But when I went on to their site, if you sign up, they are given the same size sample for free. So you get the 14 capsules, 7 days. So it is, do you think it would be $9, or will you consider it something free because they give it away for free anyway? You don't have to pay for this. Another thing is you only get 7 days worth. Now, you might be able to see a little bit of your skin clearing up for 7 days, but you really need a few months to see. I have very thin hair, as you can see. So for me, if I want to see if this would work for me, a week would not cut it. So it's nice of the gesture that they do give this, but I wish they would at least give a month supply. I do realize it's almost $40 for a size, but I mean, I could have went without this. All right. The next thing we got is from Ghoul Shop. This is an Ultimate Rose Water Toner. And this is $10 for the size sample. Now, on here, it does say the Rose Water Spray. But that was the full size. The full size is $20. This is $10. So for the sample size, you get the dropper. The full size, you get the spray. And that's why it says spray on there. But For me, because it smells good, because it is a toner, I use a cotton round anyway, so I don't mind that. That's what I usually do anyway, is put it on there and like mix it in. If you don't know what a toner is, what I do is after I wash my face and everything, I go in with the toner just to make sure like all that extra stuff is off of my face, you know, and then I will go in with my skincare products. That's what I do. And rose water is supposed to be good for you. So this is a $10 value. All right, and last but not least, I love Murad. This is an acne control cleanser. So this is, for this size right here is, how much was it? $9. So there were other websites for 10, but the cheapest, I always go with the cheapest price, and this was $9 for this. So after you wash your face with this, you can go in with the toner. So when I added everything up, came to $42.21. But if you took this out as a free item, because like I said, on their website, they give this away for free, it would be $38.21. So it all depends if you want to add this for $9, if you wanted to divide it with the 14 pills, 7 days, you know, or what. Me, because they give this away for free, it was a free product, I would go for the $38.21. And so you are getting your money's worth for $14. You are getting that. But for me, I don't mind it because I love skincare, and a lot of people are looking for more makeup, and the only makeup that we got this month is this eyeshadow, and a lot of people don't really care for singles. So I don't know. Like I said, this is worth $11, so it is a decent size eyeshadow, and the quality is very good, and as I'm trying to blend it, it blends. So I don't know. I know a lot of people are complaining because in the past months we did get eyeshadow palettes, but I have been with Ricky's for almost a year now, and just the past couple months are the only time we got eyeshadow palettes. This is usually what you got every month, but having said that, every month was only $11. Now they raised it $3 more, so this is $14. So you have to think, does this compare to like Allure and things like that? And that's up to you. I'm going to give it another month or two and see if it doesn't improve. And I'm on the fence about this. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Do you think this was worth it, the $3 raise? I mean, I think if it was worth $11, it would be excellent. And I think if they would have started at $14, this would have been an okay box because it kind of does compare to Allure. But being that it didn't start at $14, that's where a lot of people have the problem, and I can't argue with that. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this box? Also, if you are subscribed to this subscription, you do get 25% off on their website. They do have an online store and also a store in Manhattan, New York. So that is also a plus as well, to be able to get 25% off. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I'm on the fence. What do you think I should do? Do another month or two, or should I just go ahead and cancel? All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.